The low-angle sun was straight ahead of me on a nice clear evening. I was going around 50 miles per hour. There was barely enough time for me to say moose between seeing the moose and hitting it with the passenger side of my car. The first thing I had in mind was if my friend was okay. He was panicked, but we found no injuries. I parked my car on the shoulder and told him to watch the traffic before getting out of the car. I investigated my car briefly and looked for the injured moose, but it had disappeared into the woods and I couldn't find it. I picked up pieces of the headlight cover, duct taped the dangling mirror, and continued driving, asking my friend if he was okay every once in a while.